Now let us see the chemical properties of alkali metals. In this we will first see their reactivity with air. What you need to know is that these silvery white metals, as soon as they are exposed to air, they get tarnished. The reason is because they combines with the oxygen and forms the respective oxides, which again combines with the moisture and they forms the respective hydroxides. Now they react vigorously with oxygen and of the air and forms oxides, peroxides and superoxides. Now how you need to know this? The lithium combines with oxygen and forms lithium oxide. So this is lithium oxide we are having. Whereas sodium combines with oxygen and forms sodium peroxide. Whereas potassium, rubidium and cesium, when they react, they form what? Superoxides. So this is called potassium superoxide. Now, the metals in these oxides always are in their plus oxidation state. Remember, the same is shown by rubidium and cesium also. They also forms their corresponding superoxides. Now, they all are existing, these metals, in the +1 oxidation state, and these in this case of superoxide we know oxygen is O2 minus. In case of peroxide it is O2 2 minus, and it is normal oxide where it is O2 minus. So this is how they react. The reactivity is towards oxygen is increasing down the group. This is very much visible as the lower elements of the group are able to form superoxides, and these superoxides therefore are much more stable with the larger size cation. That is why the lower ones are able to form these superoxides. So this is what we have, their nature or their reactivity towards what? Air.